Hello, wonderful third grade parents. This is Miss Snell showing you today how to log in to our Google Classroom Meet account that you're going to need to get into for conferences. So first of all, you're going to have to be logged in through Gmail. Your child's is probably the best to use. So if you look at that icon over there, I know most of you have been able to get in there, or your child has been able to get in there. It should show their picture, their name, their icon. That's the first indication that they're logged in. If not, you need to type in log into Gmail and log in that way. It should be their GAF account, which is that @student.odia.edu account, to do that. So once you're in here, you are going to go to a new tab. You are going to go into the Google Classroom. It's the easiest way to get there. And you are going to see our classroom, Miss Snell's classroom. And right here is the Meet code. You're going to go ahead and just join that meeting. When you join the meeting, please only come in at your time. Otherwise, I will ask you to leave. It is very important that you're only in during your scheduled time, and I do have to X out every hour, so I may not be in there for a minute or two, and then because I have to log back in, I guess Google Meet only lets you meet for an hour. So if you have any questions, please let me know beforehand. You can try this out. I am always here to help. Have a great day, and I will be seeing you virtually soon.